Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is a quick tutorial for how to use Streamlabs to stream in YouTube or other platforms. So let's begin. First, you just open your browser and search for Streamlabs here, and you see the first or second link, any of them, you click on it, and this is the interface of Streamlabs web page, and you see an option called download Streamlabs desktop. You click on this, and once you click, you will see an option that's being downloaded, and once downloaded you can install. I've already downloaded and installed in my system here, so let's open this application first. This is the application here, Streamlabs desktop, and once you open this one, you'll see an interface like this. And if you want, you can create an account with Streamlabs ID, or you can also create with Twitch account or YouTube or Facebook or Twitter. So I have not created my credential yet, and because I do directly use the link from the YouTube instead of creating logins here. And so let's go back. So here you go, and once you enter this page, you try to click on login. If you want, you can create logins here, or you can also directly go for the stream. So you go to your browser. If you're wishing to stream with a YouTube, then you just go to YouTube, and this is my channel. Let me show you my channel here, and this is my new channel, and please don't forget to subscribe on this one. And once you click on here create, you go click on option called go live. Once the option is selected, you see three options here. Manage, this is the live videos which you've already done, and you see another option, webcam, and also stream. So if you the webcam is used to once, or if you want to do your face any other documentary videos, so you can use your webcam to do the documentary videos. So here I'm going to stream my game or any other, maybe you can share the screen or live stream. So this is the option you get once you click on the stream, and you have here stream URL, and you also have the backup server URL. If this doesn't work, you can go with this one, and we have a passcode here. And once this is being generated, and you go to Streamlabs, you click on settings, you go to streams, and you have an option called customize streaming server. So the default option is streaming service. This is the default screen once you open this one, the stream, and here you see the Streamlabs already provided the direct service for YouTube, Twitch, and Facebook Live, and as Restream, IO, Twitter, and yeah, many other. So I would prefer custom streaming server, because we are streaming with YouTube, and maybe this is preferable when we compare to other direct streaming. And here you see an URL here. You just go to YouTube and copy this URL, paste it here, and you see a key, that is passcode. Copy this passcode and paste it here. Click on done. Boom, you're almost done here. And click, if you're especially streaming a gaming video, so you can also check an option here. So we have a lot of options. If you're trying to stream the complete screen, you can select screen capture, or if you're streaming the game video, so you can click on game capture. So most of the time I would do the game capture here, because that's easy to use here. And you just click on add source, and here you see a lot of option here. That is auto, where you can the Streamlabs automatically recognize the game once you open, or you can also specify or tell the Streamlabs that there is a particular game which should be visible all the time, instead of even if the screen which is changed in your desktop. So once you click on capture specific window, So here is the option here. Once you open any game or any other option here, you can see directly here. So once the game is open, the game name is pop up here. So you can select the game and you can just close this one. So once this is the edit process, and if you want to add your small pop-up video, your face video here, you can also add by clicking on source plus, and you see a video capture device, and click on add source, and you select the camera or your webcam from your system. So right now I didn't attach my webcam on my system here, so it won't be visible. So that's the screen, it's blank in the blue color. And once it is done, you select the camera and click on close, and you edit here. So you can resize the picture here, and you can place it anywhere. So once it is done, you just click on go live, boom, that's it. You go live here, and that page and the screen you share will be visible here, and it will go on live YouTube. So this is how you go on live YouTube using Streamlabs. And if you like this video, please leave a comment and like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this one. Bye.